Hi guys, this is a quick video to show you how to access your grade feedback. It is incredibly important, especially in an online environment, that you look at not only your grade, but the feedback that you have been provided. So I'm going to show you by using the test student option. This is not a real student's grade, this is just a test student. On your screen, you'll see grades in the left-hand menu. When you click on grades, a list of all of the graded assignments will open up. Notice that most of them say missing or zero because, again, this is not a real person, it's just a test student. I'm going to click on Reading Log 1. Those grades have been posted or were posted on Monday, I think Monday, August 24th. I'm going to click on Reading Log 1 and it's going to take me to another screen. On this screen, there are a couple of things that you want to be aware of. So here is where you'll actually see your discussion. Right? So if you had posted something, you would see it here in the center of the screen. Over here on the right, this is where your feedback will appear. This is where I will give you personalized comments that are just for you. It says add comment, so this is a place where you could respond, but I would recommend that you not use this because I almost never look here and I don't get a notice when a student has posted here. It is much better for you if you have a question about your grade to email me. The last thing I want to show you is the rubric. I have created very detailed rubrics for this semester because so much of our information is online. So if you click Show Rubric, it shows a breakdown of the grade and why you got the grade that you did. So in this case, for instance, a student got only 51 of 60 points for content. Why would a student have not gotten full credit? And this would explain why you didn't get full credit. This is organization, why you may not have gotten full credit for organization, grammar and sentence structure, and then your response to a classmate. So this sort of breaks down why you got the grade that you got. So you might want to think about taking a look at that as well. So I want to just provide a short video for you so you know how to access not just your grade, but also the comments that I have made on your assignments.